Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very warm welcome to our science exhibition. Myself, Mulla Azbaraya. We are from Al Hidayah Public School from 9th standard. We lighted the project The Journey of Al Hidayah. Through this project, we will showcase how our school was established, how it has grown over the years, and the milestones it has achieved in academic, sports, and cultural activities. As proud students of Al Hidayah, we feel honored to share how Al Hidayah was continues to inspire and guide us with knowledge, values, and the vision of a bright future. Now, I will invite my sister Tazib to tell us about how Al Hidayah was founded and the vision behind it.
Jazakallah khair, sister. Allah says in Quran in Surah Al-Alaq, verse number 124, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم. Translation: Read with the name of your Lord who has created everything. He created man with a clot of blood. Read, and your Lord is the most gracious, who imparted knowledge by the means of the pen. The journey of Al Hidayah begins in 2006 when our respected founder, late Mr. Abu Saad Sheikh, and co-founder Dr. Syed Kamal Anzar Sir established the school in the city of Mumra. Later, with the support of our respected trustee, late Dr. Ziauddin Sir, a branch was opened in our own city, Bhiwandi, in 2013. Their vision was clear: to provide quality education with Islamic values under one roof and to nurture children into responsible citizens who contribute positively to society. With the foundation and vision explained, let us now hear from Ruqayya about the important dignitaries of our school.
Leading Al Hidayah today is our chairman, Dr. Syed Kamal Anzar Sir, whose guidance has helped our school to grow into a successful network of branches. Our General Secretary, Sheikh Musab Sir, ensures smooth functioning and progress across all campuses. We are also grateful to Yusuf Sir and Shoaib Sir, who manage the financial affair of our institution with sincerity and responsibility, helping the school to continue its mission. Next, my sister Mehreen will take you through the different branches of Al Hidayah.
Different branches of Al Hidayah. We proudly have 3 branches in Mumra under the leadership of Minasmils. The schools maintain the same high standards of education and Islamic information, reaching out to more communities every year. In Bhiwandi, we have also 3 branches that are of academic excellence, disciplines, and co-curricular growth. These are managed by Director Wasulullah Sir, who oversees them with great care and dedication. Our Kongaon branch was steadily growing with the great efforts of hardworking teachers and enthusiastic students, was playing an important role in shaping young minds. Now, I invite my sister Lubna to share about other branches beyond District Thane.
Our journey does not stop here. We also have 2 branches in Aurangabad, taking the mission of Al Hidayah to a wider audience. At the heart of our network is the head office at Sheel, which also one of our finest branch. As a new state of art building was recently established here, serving as a model for all our future branches. Now I request to my sister Juvedia to explain the academic structure of Al Hidayah.
Our school follows a unique curriculum specially designed for young Muslim learners. This curriculum aims to strengthen Iman, faith in Islamic teaching. This initiative was pioneered by our late mentor Sheikh Abu Saad Sir and is now led by his eldest son Sheikh Musab Abu Saad, our General Secretary. Under his leadership, we constantly update our curriculum to keep pace with technology and modern educational practices, ensuring that our students are well prepared for the challenges of the future. Now let's hear from Asba about the co-curricular activities at Al Hidayah.
To make learning fun and meaningful, our school has organized debates, allocation competition, exhibition, art and craft activities. These activities help the student to develop their confidence, creativity, leadership, teamwork. Jazakallah khair. Now I will invite my sister Tazib to Marine to tell.
Al Hidayah is not limited to school education. We establish youth programs for students memorize the Holy Quran and provide complete denial education. Our management is working for further improve infrastructure, especially in Kongaon and Bhiwandi, to make schools more advanced, student friendly, and resource rich. Finally, I request Hazib to conclude our presentation.
In conclusion, the journey of Alidaya is not just about buildings or milestones. It is about shaping lives, spreading knowledge, and inspiring students to build a bright future. We, as students of this great institution, are proud to be part of its mission and promise to carry forward its vision and values. Jazakallah khair for your time and support.